What is going on, everybody? So we are back again with another unboxing video. This was just dropped off a few minutes ago. So we're going to go ahead, get it opened up, and see what we got. Here we go. Whoa. Okay. I guess I got enough shipping material for a minute. What the fuck? Here we go. We're starting to get to it. And we have original World War II German propaganda magazines. All kinds of cool stuff. The whole box is packed. So I'm going to go ahead, cut the camera off for a second, take some of them out, and show you guys what we have here. Okay, so what we have here is a lot of original World War II German newspapers and stuff. These are just a few I've lined up here, but look at the stack. There's I don't even know, maybe a few hundred of these original Das Reich magazines. These were a political, like, propaganda type magazine, and as you can see, there's a lot of them. This one's pretty cool. I mean, they're all cool, but wow. Wow. It's going to take me a little bit to go through these and check them out, but this is amazing. There's all kinds of cool stuff in here. But so far, that's what we have here. This would take a long time to make a video about all of these, so it's going to take me some time to sort through them, and maybe I'll make some different videos about them. But that's pretty much it for today's unboxing. Some really cool original stuff here, and like I said, I'll try to show you guys some more once I go through some of them. This is a cool one too, I like. Really nice cover art. And here's an interesting one. It's an original, I think that this came out of like a random magazine or something, because some of these are in bad condition. This is from Dunkirk, which is really cool. So alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing video. This is some really cool stuff here, and I look forward to sorting through it and seeing what all we have here. So thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.